going to show you how to make the starburst bracelet. It is one of my favorite bracelets and it's super comfortable. So let's begin. First, you grab your first band and go from, make sure the arrow is pointing up. Okay, so you grab the first band to go from the first peg in the middle row to the first one on the left row. Then from the first one on the left row to the second one on the left row. From the second one on the left row to the third on the left row. From the third to fourth, fourth to fifth, fifth to sixth, and then you basically just start going up the loom until you reach the second to last peg. So just keep on going up, and once you reach the second to last peg, then you can go to the middle like that. Then you go all the way back over here and grab the first peg from the, grab your band and go from the first peg on the middle to the first peg on the right. Then start going up again. Just do the same on the other side as you did on the other side. Go up again. There. Now once you reach the second to last peg, you go to the middle. Whoops, slingshotted it. To the middle. Once you've gone to the middle, you can start pushing all the bands down. I like to push them far down because we're gonna do a couple layers. There we go. Okay, once you've pushed it down, we can start with our colored bands that are the starburst. So you start on the second peg on the middle, which is going to be the center of your first starburst, then go to the second peg on the right. Go from the first peg in the middle to the first one on the right. Then go from the second one in the middle to the first one in the middle. So you just start grabbing them from the middle to every single other side, but go clockwise. This is very important. If you don't go clockwise, your bracelet will fall apart. So you go clockwise, and then the last one would be up. Then you can push all those bands down. Then you grab your second color and start on, skip a peg, this one, and then go to the second one and do that over again. Go from this one to this one diagonal, going diagonal up first, and then go from here to here, and then you can kind of push those down so it gives you more room. From here to here, from here to here, push that down, from here to here, and you end your starburst when the last bracelet goes up. Make sure you do it clockwise. That is very, very important. Grab your next color and do the same thing, but skip a peg. There we go, from here to here. So just do that until you've done all 6 starbursts, okay? I'll see you when you've done all 6 starbursts. I'm done with doing all of the starbursts. Make sure you did them clockwise and started on this from here to here, and then started doing it clockwise on every single one. They should be connected like right here in the middle of each one. They should be connected, and there should be 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So once you've done that, we can add the cap bands. So you grab the first, you make a cap band by grabbing the first one and twisting it as an 8 and looping it back around your fingers. Then you can grab the band and put it right there. Once you've done that, grab another band and do the same thing, and we're gonna place them in the middle of each starburst. You make sure you do this because it's very important, or else your starburst bracelet will all fall apart. So you put this in the middle of each one. Make sure you put it in where there's the most bands in the middle. That's the center of our starbursts. There. Make another one. And finish off the last two bands right there. Now you should have 7 cat bands. One up here, and in the middle are 6 more in the middle of each starburst. So once you've done that, it's time for hooking process. So now you turn your loom around, and once you've turned it around, we can start the hooking process. So you have to go in these bands and grab the first colored band, which is the only colored band in this one. Put it up, and then stretch it out and put it right here. Then you can start hooking this starburst, and so you go into the starburst and grab the first band up there and hook it up and into the band, which it should be connected to this one over here, and then put it on that one. Then you go in again and grab the next one, that's the next band that's in, and it should be connected to this peg. And then you start going in, and it should be going counterclockwise this time. Should be unfolding counterclockwise. Whoops. There we go. And then the next one should be connected to the upper one. Go in again, grab the next top band, which should be connected to the peg right here. And then you can just go in and grab your last band, and it should be connected to the one right here. Once you've done that, you can start the next one and do the same thing, but go in this one where they connect, grab the blue, hook it up and back. So this is what we did over here with this one. And then you can start going in the band, grab the first band, and it should be connected to this one right here. Then grab this, go in and grab the second band, which should be connected to the one right here. Grab the third band, which is the next one right on top. Should be connected to the one on top. Grab the fourth band, and it should be connected right here. And the fifth one, which is the last one, and it should be connected right here. Then once you've done then you should have 2 starbursts done. Grab the next band and put it up and over, and then you grab this band, not up and over, you grab it and put it to the peg right there. Grab the first band on top, it should be connected right here to this one. Grab the next one and it should be connected right here. Grab the third one. It should be connected to the one up on top. Grab the second to last. It should be connected right here. And the last band should be connected right here. So I'll see you guys when you've done all those. Don't forget to do it when it connects to put it up and into the next one. I'll see you guys when you've done all of them. Okay guys, so you should have hooked all of them. So then this is like, there's kind of like a hole in the middle, and the cat band is here, and there should be, and if you turn it this way, it should look like raindrops. Okay, or teardrops. So once you've done that, we're gonna hook the sides. So try to push these down a bit, not much, but a little bit. There. So now you go in the cat band again, right here, and grab the first band on top, and put it up in here. It should be connected to the one to the second peg on the first, on the left, I mean. So then you go through all of the bands and find the bottom white band and go up and put it here. And go in through all the bands and find the white band and go here to here. These bands, make sure you're using high quality bands, because these bands tend to snap a lot when you're doing this part, because there's a lot of high tension since there's a lot of bands on them. So make sure you go in through every single colored band and grab the last band on, which should be a white band, and put it onto this side, on top, on the one on the peg right in front of it. There you go. Just do that with all of them until you reach the second to last again. Whoops, that one keeps on slipping. There we go. Do that with all the bands till you reach the second to last one. There, once you've reached the second to last band, go in through all the bands, but instead of going up, since there is no up, go to the middle. There. Now you go all the way back to the cat band and grab the last band that's under the cat band, which should be a white band. Grab it and put it up, and you do the same thing, go into all the bands till the last band, and grab the last band and put it to this side. So you do the same thing as the right side until you reach the second to last band. The last band, grab the last band. There we go. There. Keep on doing it until you reach the second to last peg, which is basically what we did in the beginning of the video, and then go to the middle again. Okay, so I reached the second to last peg. Then you just go in the middle, grab the last band, but instead, since there is no going up, you go to the middle again. There, now you're ready to finish off the bracelet. So you have to grab your hook, and put it through every single band on this peg and make it go through the out. Then you grab a white band and put it through there, and then take that band out with you. So you're going to grab it and take it out with you, but not fully, and then you're going to put it back on. So then it's like that. and then try to grab the band and put it into the thick part of your hook. Slippery band. There. Once you have the thick part of the hook, make sure that all the bands are grabbed on there. Then you can start grabbing all the bands and pulling it out. There we go. Try to pull it out gently. It's all coming out. There, once you pulled it out, you have the top part, which is the starburst bracelet, but now put this back, and we have to add the extension. I like to use double bands for the extension, so then it looks kind of like thick on the, so my wrist takes about 7 to 8 bands far, so you just grab them and put it up, grab 2, put it up, so that's 1, 2, 3 bands, 4 bands, 5, 6, and 7. There, now you can grab this band, careful because this is what it's holding it all together. Put it in your fingers, stretch it out like that, and make it be the band right there. Then you can turn your loom around, grab the band at the bottom, and put it up and into the next band, into the next peg, and then just, whoa, it almost fell right there. Then just do that with all of them. It's not grabbing hold, it must be too. Have to push this down. There. So you just grab it and put it on the next one. Grab it, put it on the next one. Grab it, put it on the next one. Grab the bottom one, put it on the next one. Grab the bottom one, put it on the next one. There's no next one on this one, so then you want to grab all 4 bands right here and stretch it out over here. Then you can grab your C-clip or S-clip. I think a C-clip would be better for this bracelet. So you put it in between all those 4, and then you can take it out. And then you have your extension. You grab these 2 bands, stretch it out in your fingers, put it on the other side, and there you have your starburst bracelet. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye!